How to import an audio on FL Studio 21 or add an MP3 file. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can import an MP3 file on FL Studio 21. Of course, the very first thing that you have to do is to pull up or open up your FL Studio software. Now from your interface, all I have to do is to access this icon, which is going to be your channel rack. Click that and then choose this plus icon right here. And once you click that, you will see a lot of results here. But just simply scroll down into miscellaneous or misc and then click on audio clip. And once you have this audio clip right here, what you want to have to do next is to click this folder right here. Once you click that, it will automatically pull up your file manager and you're just going to have to look for the audio or the MP3 file that you would like to be imported. Once you selected that, just choose on open or upload and it will automatically be allocated into your channel rack. That's it. That's how you import audio in FL Studio 21 or MP3 file.